real estate agents. What is one thing you should be doing every single time you submit an offer? Check this out. Alrighty, real estate agents, one thing you should be doing every single time that you submit an offer would be call the listing agent. That's right. Give them a call. If they don't answer, leave a voicemail, send them a text, email them, letting them know, hey, give me a call. I'd like to chat with you about my offer. Just no matter what, continue to call, get them on the phone. I know it's not always possible. I myself don't always answer the phone. Sometimes I can be busy, but if you text me, typically I will call you, but make the effort. I'm telling you, if I get a listing and I'll get about 10 offers, on average, maybe 2 people will call me and they'll let me know about their client. They'll ask questions before they even submit an offer, like what's important to your seller, because it's not always price. Sometimes it's length of time. Sometimes, you never really know until you call and get them on the phone. So by doing this, you establish 2 things. You figure out specific details that maybe were unknown just based off the MLS listing that you can write in your offer. And 2, you establish a little bit of rapport with the listing agent. People like to work with who they already know and trust. And if that's somebody like you, it's going to be easier to get your offer accepted. So that would be something that I strongly recommend as far as getting your offers accepted or having a better chance at getting your offers accepted, is simply reach out to the listing agent, call them, get them on the phone, go over your offer before you submit it, and establish a little bit of a relationship, because I promise you, it'll certainly help.